everybody, Big Bahama Jim with another edition of this new pond how-to series, Going Green. That's not green in your pond, it's green in your pocket. We're here today to talk about the Clean Rain Ultra, the ultimate and all-in-one rainwater filtration and collection system. First, you want to decide where you want the Clean Rain Ultra positioned on your downspout. Do you want it high, close to the top of the gutter system, or down low where you can easily access the cleaning ports that are right here? My suggestion is accessible someplace in the middle towards the bottom of your downspout. From there you want to remove your downspout from your gutter system and go ahead and cut the piece of downspout out 29¼ inches long. The piece of downspout you want to remove again is 29¼ inches long. That will allow your Clean Rain to fit nice and neat in the two openings that you have between your lower downspout and your upper downspout. Let me just get a close-up shot of the leaf eater and debris catcher, and then I will remove them and show you how we hook that up to our back of our wall. To remove the leaf eater part, just squeeze in on the fingers and wiggle it out of place. There's two holes that the unit just easily snaps down into. The debris screen is right here and it just has a small little catch that you just push up. It has a stainless steel slide that slides right down into the back and attaches very nicely. What you want to do is you want to make sure when you re-slide this back in that it rests and is able to move up and down. Okay, I'm just using a small stainless steel screw inserted into the holes just below where that leaf finger unit is, and we're just going to go ahead and screw that right into the wall here. Okay, you just want to make sure that it is level so the water is flowing nicely through here and that your downspout attachment rests nicely inside the catch unit right here for your water. This is where the water is being caught, the leaves and the debris is being removed from here. First, want to go ahead and place your debris screen in, and again remember there's a little sleeve that it slips down to into the back. You want to make sure that it rests nicely so you still get that bouncing effect with the screen. So once that's in place, you want to go ahead and slide underneath your downspout attachment. Just get underneath that a little bit and you'll see that it hooks right into the two little slots, and your leaf eater gets attached just like that. Okay, you have two different attachments that you can use to transfer your dirty water or your first flush away from your foundation. You can do that through a series of downspout connections. The first downspout connection we're going to do is we're going to use the part of our downspout that we cut off. We're going to attach it to a piece of corrugated drain tile that is going to run underground and run over to a pop-up or off into a drainage area. Once that attachment is made, we're going to go ahead and slide this right down into the ground here and just slide the unit right in place. We've just made a connection with our Schedule 40 3-inch piece of PVC, which again gets rid of the first flush water. What I'm showing you now is a close-up view of the discharge unit that takes away our Clean Rain after the first flush into a rain barrel, or you can have it set up to be into a cistern type area. So this actually will swing from left to right to accommodate any type of connection you want to make on the left side close to the house or over to a rain barrel. I'll show you that this unit does come off. There is a cleaning screen right here. If any debris was to get caught in here, you can remove this blue piece and clean the screen out. There's a rubber O-ring seal that keeps this snug in place. And again, we're just going to swing it over to the left and show you how easy that is to hook up to a rain barrel. Okay, what I want to show next is how easy it is to hook the tubing up from the discharge of the clean rain down to our rain barrel. So you've got a couple different options. Again, you can go ahead and take the cap off, screw in a hose attachment, and go ahead and insert the tubing down into the rain barrel. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to take the water from the clean rain unit into the rain barrel. The other option you have is if your rain barrel comes with a piece of tubing like this one does, you could go ahead and just insert the tubing onto the collection tube here, and then again run your tubing up and push it right onto the barbed fitting. There's two different sizes of barbed fittings, so you have a variety of choices and sizes of tubing to go to whatever point of collection that you. Another option for discharging your water, we just showed you how to do using these two tap connections here going into a rain barrel. If you choose that you want to plumb out with a 3-inch PVC section, you can remove this connector. You can go ahead and attach in a 3-inch Schedule 40 PVC connection and go ahead and get that right into the unit. Okay, now that we've shown you how to discharge your dirty water, how to contain your clean water, let's show you the connection up here. So this is all hidden. We'll do a close-up view, and you can see how all this attaches here, your downspout, and then we'll go ahead and dismantle that, and then I will run the clean rain unit for you so you can see water coming down in here, and then I'll also show you some of the components internally, how the whole function of the first flush works. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and insert your downspout into this hat unit. It will stay up while you go ahead and connect on your front shield. Once you have your deflector in place, then you can go ahead and just lower your hat connection down, and you've got a nice protected area. This won't lift up. Okay, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to raise the hat up and then lift the debris shield to get into your leaf eater and your debris screen to make any cleaning here if you get any debris that starts kicking up inside this unit. Alright, we've completely installed the clean rain unit. We've shown you the hat attachment, the debris shield where you can lift that up and get to the leaf eater and debris screen if you need to clean that. We've shown you two methods of taking your clean the ground. So remember, you may have to go out here and check the debris screen and just clean that loose debris away, and you're good to go. Okay, everybody, as you can see, we've completely assembled the Clean Rain Ultra unit for you today. We've attached it to a rain barrel. We've shown you how to discharge into a cistern area. Everything's complete. The Clean Rain Ultra is a great unit. It's an all-in-one rainwater filtration collection system. So remember, work smarter, not harder, and have a great day.